Welcome to my channel. In this video, you'll discover why about 99% of people got a very simple algebraic expression wrong. And you also learn the correct way to simplify this using PEMDAS or BODMAS or BITMAS. Here we have 36 plus 16 divided by 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by into 5 minus 3. Here many people see it as 36 plus 16, that gives 52 divided by 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by into 5 minus 3. Then next we consider this 52 divided by here 2 to the power of 3, that gives 8. Then multiply by into 5 minus 3. Then again we consider 52 divided by 8 multiplied by 5 minus 3, that gives 2. And at this point, consider division right here. This expression can also be expressed as 52 all over 8 multiplied by 2. And at this point, 2 divided 7 and 2 into 8 is 4. Then the expression becomes 52 all over 4. Then 52 divided by 4, that gives 13. But this answer is wrong. Therefore, this first approach here is completely wrong. Do not make this mistake. Now, to get this right, we are going to have 36 plus 16 divided by 2 to the power of 3, then multiply by into 5 minus 3. Right here, we are going to follow this order of operation called PEMDAS. We're going to use this. Now, right here in this expression, we have parentheses, we also have exponents, we have multiplication, we also have division, we have addition and subtraction in the parentheses here. Now, following this order of operation, first, we are going to consider parentheses. That simply means you are going to simplify these terms inside the parentheses first. And this expression becomes 36 plus 16 divided by 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 5 minus 3, that gives us 2. Then again, still on this order of operation, next, we are going to consider exponent because exponent is of higher priority than others. Then as such, we are going to simplify 2 to the power of 3 and the expression becomes 36 plus 16 divided by 2 to the power of 3, that gives us 8. Then multiply by 2. And next, still from this order of operation, we are going to consider division because division is of higher priority. Note that multiplication and division have the same precedence and the same thing applicable with addition and subtraction. And the operation here is from left to the right. Left to the right, then as such, we are going to first of all consider division because division is of higher priority than multiplication and addition. Therefore, we consider this and the expression becomes 36 plus 16 divided by 8, that will give us 2, then multiply by 2. And next, we are going to consider multiplication. Multiplication is of higher priority than the addition, and we consider this, and the expression becomes 36 plus 4, 2 times 2, that gives us 4. And lastly, we consider the addition. 36 plus 4, that gives us 40. And this is the correct answer to this given expression. Now, we are still going to consider other examples still based on this. Now, let us have this. If you have 5 into 5 plus 5 minus 2 to the power of 2 into 6 minus 2 then plus 3. Now, what are you going to have here? Still following the order of operation, PEMDAS. Now, in this expression here, there is parentheses, we have exponents, we have multiplication because of this parentheses here, and we don't have division, we have addition and subtraction. Then, right here first, we are going to consider the parentheses. You are going to simplify the terms inside the parentheses first, and here we have two parentheses here, and first we have 5 plus 5 here, that will give us 10, then minus 2 to the power of 2, and multiply, because of this there's multiplication here, and 6 minus 2, that gives us 4, then plus 3. And again, next, we are going to consider exponents. We have exponents. We need to simplify 2 to the power of 2, and we have it 10 minus 2 to the power of 2, that gives us 4, multiply by 4 plus 3. And next, we are going to consider multiplication here, because multiplication is of higher priority than addition and subtraction, following this order of operation here, and the expression becomes 10 minus 4 times 4, that gives us 16, then plus 3. And right here, we consider any of these addition and subtraction have the same order of operation, have the same precedent. That is, now the operation here is from left to right. We still move our simplification here from left to right, and we have a 10 minus 6. 10 minus 16, that will give us minus 6, then plus 3. And lastly, we consider this addition here, minus 6 plus 3, that will give us minus 3. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Now, we will still consider the next example still on this, and we are going to have here 21 divided by 7 into 1 plus 2. Now, in this case, we still follow the order of operation PEMDAS rule here. Now, first of all, you need to first consider the parentheses. As from all examples, consider the parentheses, simplify the terms inside the parentheses, and the expression becomes 21 divided by 7. Then multiply, because of this we have multiplication here, 1 plus 2, that gives us 3. Now, what are you going to consider next? We need to consider division, because division is of higher priority than multiplication. Following the order operation, PEMDAS here. Now we have 21 divided by 7, that will give us 3. When multiply by 3, then lastly we consider this multiplication, and 3 multiplied by 3, that will give us 9. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Now, we are going to still consider the next example here, still on this. Now, let us consider this. If you have 63 divided by 9 all over 9 divided by 63, this one tricks a lot of people here. This expression, many people see it as 63 divided by 9 divided by 9, then divided by 63. Right here, they will consider this. Now 63 divided by, here 9 divided by 9, that gives 1. Then divided by 63. Then again they consider this 63 divided by 1, that gives 63. Then divided by 63. Then lastly they consider this 63 divided by 63, that gives 1. But this answer is wrong. When as such, this first approach here is completely wrong. Do not make this mistake anymore. Now, to get this right, we are going to consider this. We are going to have this. We have here 63 divided by 9 divided by here. To get this right, this expression in the denominator should be enclosed in parentheses, and with this you are going to have here 9 divided by 63. And at this point, first, following PEMDAS rule, we are going to first of all consider this term in the parentheses. We are going to first of all simplify this, and the expression becomes 63 divided by 9, then divided by 9 divided by 63, that will give us 1 all over 7. Then, in this case, we continue the simplification, and the operation is from left to right. We move the simplification from left to right. Then, as such, from here, we are going to first of all consider this 63 divided by 9, that will give us 7. Now, divided by 1 all over 7. Then right here, we are going to apply KCF rule here. Now, K mean keep, C mean change, F mean flip. Therefore, in that case, we are going to keep this first value, which is 7, then we change this division into multiplication, and we flip this value 1 over all over 7. Therefore, right here, note that 7 can also be written as 7 all over 1, then multiply, we change sign, by 7 all over 1. And at this point, we are going to multiply this out. 7 multiplied by 7, that gives us 49. Then 1 multiplied by 1, that gives us over 1. Then lastly, 49 divided by 1, that should give us 49. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. And if you've already done that, thank you so much, and ensure that you stay tuned for more videos from this channel. See you in the next video.